Hello everyone. In my last video, we learned how to create a Google form with an example of event registration. Now we want to know how many of them have registered for this particular event. For that, we need to sign into our Google account. I have already signed into my account. Click on this Google app and select Drive. In the Drive, you have to select the particular form, that is event registration, which we have been already created. So in this event registration form, you could see the responses tab. Here, we could see the total number of responses received. So we received 10 responses. You can also view the responses like this: the name, email address, organization, department, contact number, designation, city. So people are from different ends. They have registered for this particular event, but it is quite difficult to view the respondents' details if huge number of respondents. To overcome this, we have to click on this icon. This is linked to Excel icon. You can view the responses in Google Sheets. Also, you have this more option. Click onto this option. You will have many options like this. So first one is get email notification for new responses. As and when the person is registering for this event, you will get an email notification. And select response destination. You can select the response destination. It may give you two options: create a new spreadsheet, select existing spreadsheet. So clicking onto a new spreadsheet, since we are doing it for first time, this is my suggestion. Or if you have already created, you can go for select the existing spreadsheet. This way you can do, or you can click onto this link to Excel icon. When you click this, the responses of event registration will be viewed like this: the timestamp, the date and time the particular person have registered for this event, and the name, email, organization, department, all such details have been viewed here. And even you can also download this Excel sheet in various ways, like Microsoft Excel, PDF, Open Document, or if you want it to a CSV format, you can download it. So you can download the data according to your convenience. This is how we can view the details in an effective manner. So you can also save this data for your future references also. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.